Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Lucid Trading account to Tradovate. First, open your browser and go to the Lucid Trading website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are inside your dashboard, look for the Accounts section. Click on Accounts, and you will see your account details. At the top right corner of the screen, find the button that says Show Credentials. Click on it. This will display your trading username and password. Now carefully copy the username and password exactly as shown. Make sure there are no extra spaces when copying. These credentials are what you will use to log in through Tradovate. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Tradovate login page. Once the page loads, you will see fields for username and password. Paste the username you copied from Lucid Trading into the username field. Then paste the password into the password field. Double-check both entries to make sure they are correct. After that, click on the Login button. If everything is entered correctly, you will be logged into Tradovate using your Lucid Trading account. Once logged in, you can confirm the connection by checking your account information and balance. If the data appears correctly, then your setup is complete. Thanks for watching.